Welcome dear students to the class of general knowledge. Today we are going to learn about Animal Planet. To survive and reproduce, all living organisms must adjust to the conditions imposed on them by their environments. Animals have physical and behavioral adaptation that help them survive in their unique ecosystem. The behavior or part of living things that helps it survive in a certain environment is called adaptation. Now students, we will see some facts. Fish have gills adapted for breathing under water. Sharks are great swimmers because they have adapted fins to help them swim. Porcupine, the main line of defense of porcupine comes from their sharp quills. Since 70% of bats are not able to see at night, they emit a very high-pitched sound called sonar to hunt their prey. Giraffes are able to eat acacia leaves because of their long neck. Arctic tern is the animal makes the longest migration in the whole world. Camels store fat inside their hump. Turtles can easily travel from place to place because they carry their homes on their back. Now students, what do you mean by migration? Migration is the movement of either people or animals from one area to another with animals. It's almost always in reference to a seasonal change in location. What do you mean by camouflage? It is the technique used by animals to protect themselves from predators by introducing physical and other changes in their bodies. Next is hibernation. What is hibernation, students? An extended period of deep sleep that allows animal to survive in winter extremes. What do you mean by estivation? Yes, estivation is a period of deep and prolonged sleep in summer and dry seasons. Now students, we will see different body coverings of animals. There is fur, feather, scale, shell and also skin. Here you can see pigeon. So the body covering of pigeon is feather. Also peacock is covered with feather. Yes. Now here you can see a turtle whose body covering is of shell. Also tortoise body covering is of shell. Snail is also covered with shell. Sheep, the body covering of sheep is of fur. Here you can see a puppy. The covering of the body is of fur. Here you can see a dangerous crocodile. The crocodile's body is covered by scales. Also fish is covered by scale. Here you can see a big elephant. Its outer body covering is skin. Now students, we will see some life cycles. So the first life cycle is of butterfly. So first, butterfly lays egg on the leaf. Then the second step, it turns into caterpillar. Then it moves on to the third stage, that is chrysalis, and at the end it becomes a butterfly, a beautiful butterfly. Moving on to the second life cycle of a hen. First, a hen lays egg, then it turns into embryo. Then the third stage is of hatching the egg. Then comes out the chick and then the adult hen. Our next life cycle is of a frog. First, it lays egg. Then the second stage is of tadpole. The third stage, the tadpole with legs. And the fourth stage is of froglet. And then comes out the frog. Now student, we are going to see some extinct animal. First, we will learn what do you mean by extinct. When an entire species or type of animals dies, that species is considered to be extinct. Once a species become extinct, it is gone forever. If we could travel back in time, here are some of the most amazing animals we would see. Most of you know the famous Tyrannosaurus Rex from Jurassic Park. The T-Rex was the largest predatory dinosaur living on land. According to fossil evidence, it was a massive 43 feet in length and weighted up to 7.5 tons. Moving on to the next extinct animal, that is meows. Meows were giant birds. The largest were even taller and heavier than today's ostriches. Like ostriches, they were flightless, but unlike ostriches, they were truly wingless. Meows has strong beaks that could cut through thick twigs to reach leaves, and in spring they used these twigs to make nest. Our next extinct animal is woolly mammoth. Before elephants, there were mammoths, the woolly mammoths being the last. They were not much larger than today's African elephants, but had high shoulder humps and thick fur, which made them look much bigger. They also had tusks that could grow up to 13 feet, 3.9 meter long. Now students, our next interesting extinct animal is dodo. A bird called the dodo once lived on an island in the Indian Ocean. Europeans took control of the island in the 1500s and began to hunt the bird. By 1681, the dodo was extinct. Now, our next extinct animal is Beige white dolphin. The beige white dolphin was mainly seen in the Yangtze River in China. It could grow up to 8 feet long and weight up to a quarter of a ton. However, its numbers started declining drastically by the 1950s with increasing industrialization in China. Although officially these dolphins have not been declared extinct, No one has seen them since 2002. Now student, we will learn how animals are in danger. What do gorillas, manatees and tigers have in common? Not only they all are mammals, they all are in danger of becoming extinct. This means that there will be no more of these animals alive on the earth soon. An animal is considered to be endangered or threatened when there are very few of them alive. Hope students you have enjoyed the chapter of Animal Planet.